Hello dear students, this is your SST class and in today's video we are going to study another three topics from the same chapter, that are latitudes, longitudes and grid. Latitudes. The imaginary lines in each hemisphere which are drawn parallel to the equator up to the poles, and these lines are known as parallels of latitudes. Let us understand this with the help of the diagram. So this is the diagram and this is the line of equator which is at 0 degree. All the lines which are above and below the equator, they are known as the parallels of latitudes. They are also measured in degrees. The starting point for measuring the degrees of latitude is the equator, which is at 0 degree. This diagram given here shows that the equator is at 0 degree and the values of all the other latitudes is followed by the letter N, which represents northern hemisphere. In the same way, all the latitudes which are in the southern hemisphere are denoted by the letter S. For example, the latitude next to the equator in the northern hemisphere is at 1 degree north. If we talk about the next latitude after equator, what will be the degree? The degree will be 1 degree north. Okay, as we move further northwards, the lines of latitudes are numbered as 2 degree north, 3 degree north, 4 degree north, etc. until we reach 90 degree north. Which is at North Pole. So the latitudes in the southern hemisphere are numbered in the same way till we reach the South Pole, which is at 90 degree south. And which one is the longest latitude? Equator. Okay, equator is the longest latitude, and as we move northwards or southwards from it, जैसे ही हम northwards या southwards move करते हैं equator से, the latitudes decrease in size till they are reduced to a dot at the poles. poles पे जाके ये एकदम dot जैसा हो जाता है. Now let us learn some important lines of latitudes, with which we will also learn the degrees. Okay, so first important latitude is equator at 0 degree. Then we have Tropic of Cancer. At 23.5 degree north, or you can call it as 23.5 degree north. Because this lies in the northern hemisphere, that is why we are using N with the degrees. Okay. Next we have Arctic Circle. It is at 66.5 degree north, or you can call it as 66.5 degree north. Move to the southern hemisphere. We have two important latitudes, and they are Tropic of Capricorn, which is at 23.5 degrees south, and another one is Antarctic Circle, which is at 66.5 degrees south. I hope the topic is clear. Today's video question is, what is the other name for equator? Comment your answer. Thank you and have a nice day.